Hello and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today we're examining Google stock on December 5th, 2024. Recent news indicates a mixed sentiment around Google. While some analysts predict a potential Santa rally to end the year, others express caution. Let's turn to the daily chart to see how this plays out visually. We see Google's stock price recently experienced a significant drop in late October, around the $125 range, which correlates with general market uncertainty at that time. However, it's important to note the bounce from the low, and the recent price action around the $130 level seems to indicate potential support. Zooming in on the last few weeks' activity on the daily chart provides a clearer picture of the current price movement. The recent price action suggests that the $130 area is acting as crucial support, but we need more information. Let's switch over to the 1-hour chart to look at more recent action. The 1-hour chart helps us to examine short-term trends. Looking at the past 24 hours, we can see some volatility within the $170 to $175 range. We can observe several instances of support and resistance within this narrow range, with brief price spikes above $175 not being sustainable. This suggests that significant buying pressure is present around the $170 mark, which could lead to continued short-term consolidation. For a more granular perspective on the very short term, let's analyze the 15-minute chart. The 15-minute chart reveals more frequent fluctuations. Note the increased volume during periods of price changes, such as the drop yesterday. These fluctuations indicate the existence of short-term traders trying to capitalize on these smaller movements. But the overall trend still looks to be pointing upward. Looking at all three time frames, a key price level of support appears to be around $130 in the short term and $170 in the very short term, while resistance may exist around $175 for the very short term. The likelihood of these levels holding depends on several factors, including overall market conditions, news events, and investor sentiment. A positive news event, coupled with a sustained increase in volume and consistent price action above these resistance points, would significantly increase the likelihood of surpassing these levels. Conversely, negative news or a substantial drop in volume could lead to price declines. In summary, while the short-term outlook is positive based on the recent upward trend, it's crucial to monitor the $170 and $130 support areas, as well as the $175 resistance area for potential reversals. Keep an eye on any upcoming news events or announcements which could cause major shifts in the stock price. Always conduct your own thorough research before making any trading decisions, and remember to trade responsibly.